Yo. Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry, wonderful. Yeah. Me no kasa de come here say moliy shake it to the max, you know. Obi a person de chen bobre e Ghana. Amanfo some of the musicians have fun World Cup. Chinchine twan ebi ma e ba ku mienu miensa. Ebi mu twa ho professional music video chese. Yo. Yeah. But mami ka se mo intro. Moliy shake it to the max na air training no medafo. Musician biya na obey na adwene say or jump on that enyum no. A obefa no personal say oye bibi abeji abodi no wo wiase ohun emfa me ka no kra because original version na nkasa enya global hit no enya ade a bibi fufuro bia betima ba be replace no a fact enya ade a bibi betima be replace the current song na wa bonte na air trending na enya almost 100 million views na eche ni there be enu nti no so we smart musician a e was say target ebia locality and I say ebia country na free mu no na open a simple message the people in that community and as a country no can resonate and I say can vibe to it. And currently as I'm talking to you dodona na aba abonten nemom Archipalago version oh Archipalago version oh one that's a be ye wo Ghana no me mpese me kasa bebre unyamra kotie omu nyina ade uwia o de me bo bebre me ana now no se de nyina enim no yesika na asa ekosoro asa eba from ohun sa ade no enu nti se open mobile money transfer papa sabi omo exchange rate no e wosra medefo eye lemfi na eniji se ma e wo lemfi mu ene se dodo na mo America ene Canada no o your first transaction na eye $100 and I say $100 Canadian air qua o first transaction abe no lem 5 for ebe send you $20 cash back dodo na ye wo sebi Europe ni so o ye o first transfer na €50 o ma €15 cash back ana dodo na so ye wo UK no o ye o first £50 o ma £10 cash back na answer na cash back we no ubenya no medofo ni nyina ne se ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code and as the promo code. And so when you cash back no a back. Archipalago Freestyle no and as Archipalago version no of Shake It to the Max no. A fire. Adie bia eye kese bia ne mpedimfo mpo se asem kese we ba frankansi so. On said they started picking no. Obia fa ne se agro, enya agro. And I Shake It to the Max no. Moliy nyum no wa nyum ne chinchine bia enyum no mu da ho bia timi to be wa enyum no flexible enyum no what that vibe and enyum bia akọ viral bia no medofo opa yenka no kre aya na enyum no enye kuntan chinchine twan bia so ye ho hye enye da bi nia amama respect Archipalago no because Archipalago version no wa hu emu da ho ana yo, Archipalago. No. Mufasa, pay attention to the guy. I'm telling you. Archipalago is a talented musician. Me na make, baby, we are said, no, you need musician kuntai, bibi sabi any we are so sad days, ne chomo. Young talents na mo bano. On said the Archipalago, yenimo, timi manum no, obiatino. Munsua Archipalago anamon. O ye young talent. Now o ba. Sua Archipalago anamon. Seba ya onyom. Ye bete. Muni madri free traditional age. No sa age. Ne chem ema wiase bim. Wako obi ono the traditional age. No ne etre o musica. Ube feli. Mekano kratro. Now. O ye nyuma. Ekwanye nyuma befa so. Edru. Aman for so no metie no macheno. That is the most important thing. And what be any hobby. And more be another. Men show be bia. One thing I miss Philip Paragon no. On show bia, on show musician bia. Obia yen a drum, obia yen yum. What de be fa. We a young talent now was star. Shake it to the max ni mwabie. On so ye be. Shake it to the max. And get the max. Emu da ho. Me da fo akrakra ya woni na no tie ya otimi to bi. Enu nti omo ma jump on nwum esu a ase ya fa ne chinchine atwan ya twe ho se kan amini na ebi mu twa. Yo. Enko ba bia. Mr. Shake It to the Max no remix a free Ghana e je die kire kese pa ya Archipalago version no. Me kind of crash now. Archipalago version no utie to aso 3 times a ubetima to be. And the probability say Archipalago version no ebe go viral no 99.9 because we can vibe with it. We can relate to the storyline. We can relate to the language. We can relate to the flow. We can relate to the vibe. We can sing along. And yet, chinchine try bia. Mufasa, emo obi enwura papa. Adwuma na wo no. He Archipalago style de ye nwom no. Eye bibi foforo kra o. Enu nti na ase Ghana for ye ntena se no. Manya abotra study the diplomatic condition of Archipalago pen game. Mama yen sha Archipalago ye. Because he is in for business. And Palago is solid there to the extent that the starting so nadia all slacky and I say all back it down for musician biao. Hey yo. Me person me kase bebre. Unti Palago version na ko. We are bra me comment section ase na beda mase. Nemom se obi bi wa America na person dey no ma bro na there be a story sa. Ma me fa energy sem kese bi ma. There is a new company in town. Door-to-door shipping company. Aba Ghana ni America for nyina. Your friend of Box Oak Logistics. Me therefore se obi bi wa America no person dey no ma bro anase sebi se wo hwe mi o America person dey no ma bi ba Ghana. For Box Oak Logistics. Obeba ofia be box ni man kama. E de sin so abedru Ghana asomdwe mama. Pese obi be du sika, pese obi be wia on nyoma. Me therefore one Box Oak Logistics enye adwuma. Ani gisem kra ba ko account ni say ofre Box Oak Logistics a catch them say and I'm the Bonah show so and I would say omonka imprin na omo be 10% discount. Ana sabi o Ghana ufri abrochen so eba Ghana na ope ba bia da e okumasi amamaso adwoa free Pcash Properties 100% security, CCTV cameras, etwa fie ne ho nyina asia, ura fie ne kitchen, interior, and pound beda so baby abetna. Bedofo, Fre Pcash Properties says ya. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. I'm out.